Okay, I'm working on the third circuit in the SparkFun Inventors kit, which will be to make this motor spin. So there are a few components that we'll use. One is the motor. So the first question you might want to ask, if you're looking at a motor that you don't know the specifications of, that you might ask, what's the voltage requirement on the motor? So I'm looking it up on the SparkFun site for the Inventors kit. There's a link to the motor that's included, and it says this motor has an operating voltage of 1.5 to 4.5. So here we have a 1.5 volt battery, and if I connect it technically, if it's mostly new, hasn't been used up too much, then we should get some action occurring, which it will take me a while to do this. Let me get one hand. Okay, I don't know if you're hearing that, but it's going. I don't know if you can see that. Now I could also, now this is not something you would normally want to do, but I think for short times it's okay. You could connect it to a higher voltage than it's specified for it. And you don't want to do this on a regular basis because this is going to kill your components, but for short time. So you could see it went really fast. Okay, and we're good. The other things that you have to use here are a transistor. Now, in the kit, there are two things that look very similar. One is a temperature sensor, the other is a transistor. So it says look for the P2N2222A G transistor, but it's actually not a G, just 2222A. So you have to look and see, and I know that this one is the P2N2222A transistor, and this is the temperature sensor. So I just wanted to show you they look very similar, so watch out for that. The other thing you'll be using is a diode. This is a 1N4001 diode, and pretty much that's it. Another component that was called out in the parts list for Project 3 is a 10K resistor. As it turns out, we didn't need to use the 10K resistor. It was actually a correction to not use the 10K resistor in this circuit, because basically the circuit wouldn't go if you had the resistor. It reduced the current too much. And then now, if I connect it all, I took this out to stop it, but basically it turns it on and off. And I also